Guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I'm going to look at the iPhone 11. As you can see here, this is my iPhone 11. We're going to look at the camera and give you a full tour of the camera just to show you some of the cool features that has been baked in to the latest version of this device. Alright, so as you can see here guys, I have the camera up, and just to show right here, you can see the overall quality that comes with this camera. All right, so it has a few modes. Among them, we have portrait, video, slow motion, and all that. Also, I have this cool box of goodies that I purchased recently. Let me just show them off right here. So inside of here, I have these cool potted plants. These are fake, of course, just to give the desk a little bit more character for future videos. So as you can see here, I have this cool red succulent plant. So I'm just going to put this right here. And as you can see, the iPhone is doing what it does best, which is give you great color reproduction. And of course, you have the various lenses. If I tap, we have the wide angle. Forgive the wide angle here. Let me just show you what the wide angle looks like, as it shows you in wide landscape sweeping views. And if I tap again, it will give you the close-up shot with the zoom lens, or should I say not the zoom lens, but of course the normal 1x lens. All right, so the wide lens along with the normal lens. All right, so I can also snap a picture. As you see there, it does take pictures quite nicely. And you do get these true to life pictures as with iPhones, and you can check out how clean and pristine the picture quality is. All right, again, we can go back to the camera right here. And along with this, we have the portrait shot. All right, so portrait lighting gives you various lighting. It's great also for those nice portrait shots of your face and so on. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what the portrait lighting looks like. All right, as you can see here, I'll show you what I mean. Here I am to the side, and notice the lighting effects. So let me just go ahead and show you some of these cool lighting effects. Now, forgive me, the light in the room is just poor. All right, and of course guys, as I said, these do give you better results in real world conditions. I'll show you some of those that I've taken. All right, so here are some portrait shots that were way better, and these were taken in direct sunlight outside or in a well-lit room with the camera held at a reasonable distance. As you can see here, it does show portrait lighting, and notice the quality of the images, and these are the same modes that were shown off earlier, showing at the various portrait. All right, so you can see great color reproduction, and of course that's one of the advantages of portrait lighting, which is another feature that you get from your device. All right, again guys, if I go over to from portrait, you'll notice there's the pano shots, which stands for panoramic shots, meaning you can get those wide landscape shots would fit way more, which is very similar to the wide angle. I can go back to photos, and of course you have your videos, and of course videos are very nice, and I do have more plans. Let me just get a few of these. All right, just perfect right here. As you can see guys, this leads for a very beautiful desk setup. So you'll see these plants in future videos coming up. And as you can see right here, if you were to place all of these in, and the iPhone makes for great photography and videography. All right, so just to continue with the iPhone tour, as you can see here as well, you can switch between both lenses. Notice this is the wide angle lens at 0.5x. It shows you that you have normal lens right here, and you can record your videos. Notice the quality. All right, so I'll just stop the video. There you go. Let's just play. Notice the supreme quality of the iPhone 11's camera. Just what to look for in case you do get the iPhone 11. All right, so we're going to look continue the camera tour. There is slow motion as well. So slow motion would be the one that slows down, and let me just show you now. All right. All right, so let's check out the slow motion video. Notice that I move that plant much faster, but slow motion actually slows things down way more significantly. Next, we're going to look at the other camera features. So if we go back into camera here, we have the time lapse, and time lapse is similar to the first option, except that it will show stuff over a greater distance of time. So I'm just going to move. I'm going to remove. I'm going to move back stuff into frame. Then I'm going to remove stuff totally. There we go. I'm going to stop. All right, so time-lapse videos are saved. So check this out. This would be my time-lapse video. See that? So it basically shows stuff in a, condenses a very long video into just split-second images. So versus this one that slows things down, this one actually speeds stuff up. There you go, it catches the main frames. If you blink, you might miss it. And again, superb quality and color reproduction. You do get the true to life quality in terms of your images, and this is achievable through the iPhone 11's camera. All right, so just in case you wanted to see what the iPhone 11 camera was capable of, you're now able to see that. Great improvements by Apple, and I highly recommend this camera. And of course, there is other fine-tuned things that you can do within the camera, but of course that will be for advanced tutorial. This is just a quick overlap of the features. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This is Ricardo Gardner, as usual, from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye, guys.